Tim mar adhula mar KCB oyiero Robert Matano kaka kocha margi manyien. Koloso sach nyasi mar yango Matano ne jotugo mag timno. Patron mar klabno Azuo Gola olero ni mae en okang' maduong' mokalo ma klabno segoyo kowacho ni Matano en kocha manigi lony mararieya e weche adhula ma Kenya. Matano osetelo ne timbe mopogore e pacho kae lig mamalo kaachiel bende gikonyo nyayo talanta mag jotugo mathoth mabende osechwalo ne timbe ma oko mar Kenya. KCB notieko season mokalo gi points 42 e thuolo mar 9 kakoro gigeto medo kwan jotugo manyien mana ne gitimo maber e season manyien.
Please smile.
Well, Matano has got a very good track record. When we looked at several coaches across the spectrum, he's got a very good proven track record in terms of his performance. He's carried the trophy at least 4 times with Tusker. And we look at his maturity level and what he's going to bring to the team. It was stood out for us, and that's why we selected Matano for this assignment. So for KCB as a brand, we're a very big brand, and we need to put the brand where it belongs.
I feel happy. I feel great. I feel welcomed. I think I belong for football family. Now I'm a newborn KCB family. So I feel happy to be here. So I bring people who can help me, and also they know my philosophy, they know what we need, and they know expectation ahead of us, so that I'm bringing brains behind anything we're going to do. What we need is to just change mentality and attitude. And also we want to bring new life, new experience, different experience. That's why we are looking for other players from outside.